A$AP Rocky are currently spending time together in Miami, Florida, where the rapper performed as a headliner at the Rolling Loud Music Festival. Rihanna, 33, and A$AP Rocky, 32, are going strong. The sexy couple has been inseparable on their recent trip to Miami, Florida for the Rolling Loud Music Festival, and sources tell HollywoodLife exclusively that they've been having a great time in the coastal city. They've been having a great time in Miami together, going out late and enjoying the scene. She loves it down there and it's one of her favorite cities to travel to, and she goes a lot. She likes the nightlife and relaxed vibe, the source spilled to HL. The couple were recently spotted, per HL, at the Luxe One Hotel Residences in South Beach. The umbrella songstress was waiting for the rapper, new Rakim Mayers, in the immaculately designed lobby area on Thursday, July 22, just days before A$AP hit the stage for Rolling Loud. Rihanna and A$AP have quietly been staying together everywhere they go. She is the one wanting to keep her whereabouts private, the insider also told HL, noting that the Bahamas native is keen on keeping their relationship private. She is a very quiet, private and shy person, so it's not a surprise. She's a very soft and kind individual, and A$AP seems that way with her, they added of the couple's relationship, which appeared to be a rekindled romance from years past. Back in 2013, the couple were reported to be dating after Rihanna co-starred in the music video for A$AP Rocky's tune Fashion Killa. While neither ever confirmed their past romance, they remained friends over the years, with things taking a romantic turn during the pandemic. A$AP previously revealed that the pair fell in love on a lengthy road trip across America during the COVID-19 shutdown. Related gallery. Rihanna's sexiest photos of all time. Our insider also added that Rihanna is looking more in love than ever with her rapper beau, who she's been with for just over a year. She looks more in love than ever and he's very sweet and tender with her. They're always touching when they're together and it looks like they have natural chemistry. It seems sincere and real and they both smile every time they see each other, the source also said. Just days ago at Rolling Loud, Rihanna and A$AP were spotted sharing a kiss in the crowd, heading out for mac and cheese after the event.